Mountain gift shop. Let's go see what new merch we can find. Behind me is the Magic Band on-demand D-Tech system where you can customize your own Magic Bands or phone cases. Let's see if we can kind of mess around with it and kind of show you how it works. Alright, so let's see if we can do something here. Let's say we want to make a Magic Band. Let's make a Magic Band. Touch to start.
Okay.
There we go. Well, we were asking for Magic Band. There we go. Design away. Ooh.
Now you got all these different designs. Like, for example, in our Animal Kingdom video, we reviewed this one. In our merchandise video, we reviewed that one in Wind Traders.
Yes, we did. We could put that link up below. I mean, up at top, so that you could link into that and see that merchandise video. So let's say that we choose something here. Let's choose the Magic Kingdom.
And now
all right,
we get
what would
to
we
choose
do
a
next?
color.
It says next. So you pick a color. So you get to customize a color. Pick a color you'd like.
Honestly, I think the blue looks best because it will like form the sky.
The sky. All right. Let's keep going. Then you can add your name.
Or no name.
Or no name. Let's put a name.
Okay. Oh, yep. All right.
There you go.
What do you want?
Name.
Okay.
That's pretty neat. Let's go. Yep.
And then.
Oh, we don't want to confirm the order.
Nope.
But that's all you have to do. It's that easy to design a Magic Band. Maybe we should try to start over and just show how easy it is to customize
a phone case.
A phone case.
And as you can see, some of these displays over here, there is now a sliding puzzle phone case. Now, let's just do, for example, S7. We can choose any one of these. We're going to choose this one.
That's a cute one.
And then, should we add a name?
Let's add a name.
Okay. Who should we put on it?
Put Jillian.
Okay.
Just like that, and we should see the final product. There's the final product. You'd finalize your order, go pick it up in minutes at the register. That's the D-Tech on-demand system, which you can find throughout all the parks. I'm not sure actually if it's through all the parks.
I know,
but I know they have it here
at Star Wars Launch Bay when at Hollyood Studios. I know that one of them is in Hollyood Studios.
Definitely here, and I have seen that over in Disney Springs.
Yes, because they have, I believe, they have a store with its own D-Tech section.
Yeah, which is a pretty neat store. We'll check that out next time we're there in Disney Springs and review that area. That's a really cool store.
Right here is where you can pick up your Magic Band or your phone case that you created.
There's an overview of the gift shop. Let's check out some stuff. So we have some Star Wars stuff. Little Star Wars section, why not? It's Tomorrowland, right?
Yep.
Some of the popular books, novels, comics, kids' books of all different kinds. I'm not really seeing anything new over the last few months there. And they have these Dorbs. How much are the Dorbs?
These are $14.99.
$14.99 for the Dorbs. For the collectibles, you have Luke, Han. Look at C-3PO. I guess the thing they all have in common is their eyes.
I think so too.
With the big smiles.
I think Dorbs have been...
Princess Leia.
Like,
I see a Stormtrooper. And a Jawa. And they're all numbered.
So I think that the Dorbs have been more popular since pretty much since in like past few months. More Dorbs have been more popular than the pop figures.
So is this like the new thing?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay. I haven't seen too many, but I've seen them around.
I haven't haven't seen too many pop figures.
We have some Star Wars specialty figures too. For example, this C-3PO boy. This is heavy, so this is got to be made out of metal. $60, which is to be expected. Special edition, heavy, high quality. You know, someone individual like a Captain Phasma.
Probably, like you said, it's going to be made out of metal.
Is $30.
That's why it's so expensive.
Yeah. You wouldn't want to trust that crew, would you?
No.
From the Han Solo movie. How much is that?
It is $19.99.
$19.99. We've entered the plush section. Look at those soft, furry Ewoks for $17.95. Look at that plush. Oh, he's super soft.
Really soft.
He's super soft, isn't he?
And
we have porgs, ladies and gentlemen. We have porgs. That's like the porg sound, right?
I don't
Pretty much. Look at this robotic mini keychain.
Whoa, isn't this one a Mickey?
She has all kinds of moving parts. Is that a Mickey? You have a Mickey there. It's pretty neat. Has like a green glow.
Greenish, and then it'll just turn like metal.
$9.99. Now these Magic Bandits have been out for almost as long as Magic Bands have been out, but I love them, but we stopped buying them because they have not yet figured out a way to stop them from falling off. These fall off with the slightest bump. So we don't buy them anymore. They're awesome, but I'm just surprised they haven't found a way to keep them on better.
Because I've seen so many people with them, like at least yesterday or today, like in our Food and Wine Festival video, and I've just seen quite a few people have them, and I'm just wondering, why are you having them on?
Well, you hope that they can keep them on.
Yes. Oh.
Well, you don't need one of those living down here, but somebody could use one of those.
Yes.
That's
especially
a nice
if
little
you're on
hat.
Vacation.
Exactly. Well, you're not on vacation here, would you use it? $29.95 though. I believe this is a new shirt, which is worth stopping for. 1977, which is, or they've chosen number 77 because Star Wars came out in May of 1977. $34.99 for that little doodad. $24.99. Space Mountain t-shirt. You don't, I just don't notice many Space Mountain t-shirts. And rightfully so. You can pick up your NASA merchandise at Space Mountain. Circle around here with some more. You have astronaut food. So it's clear that Disney has chosen to market a lot of their Star Wars merchandise in the Tomorrowland store located or connected with Space Mountain. We are going to go over to our next merch stop. Let's go. Monsters, we have a problem. Woo! We grew a tail. We grew a tail. Maybe she's Sully's daughter. Work that tail on the runway, lady. Walk it down there. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. She's sporting the new Sully for 2018.
Sully who? I only know Jillian. We are in front of Mickey Star Traders. Let's see what they have.
Looks like we've got a lot of the Spirit jerseys. A few different models. A mix of Mickey hats. A mini designed Spirit jersey. Which will run you $60 for that mini jersey. Matching mini hats. $24.99. That's my guess. $21.99. You can get all minied out here in this section. That's a cute pair because it's a cool color.
Especially with blue mini ears.
You should put those on and do the Jill pose.
No.
Not happening, right?
Yep, not happening tonight.
That's a new one. That's a new set of mini ears I have not seen yet.
I think those might be limited release. For
I would
4th
say
of July.
limited release for 4th of July for sure. $24.99.
And as you can see, that is a hidden Mickey.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hidden Mickey.
It's just sideways.
And there's your rose gold, still kicking around. Look at that rose gold design up there. I'm gonna call that a New Jersey right there. We have not seen that one yet. Along with the Prince Charming. I really love this shirt with the People Mover. $24.99. Look at that one. Mountain Man. Showing you Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Astro Orbiter.
Astro Orbiter.
Space
Mountain. And Splash Mountain. $34.99. Calling all Goofies in this section, huh?
Yep.
Goofy shirt, socks.
A mug for Donald, and a little plush of Donald.
Oh yeah, get the cord. You could put him in the mug.
A little bit of Donald, mostly Goofy.
This is new. Thunder Splash Space Repeat. $34.99. I like that. This might be our favorite shirt of the evening. 10 Disney parks with a full list of essentials.
And if you want to, you can pause the video to read it.
Here's a little ode to Pixar stuff. A little bit of Up.
Up on this side.
Yeah, a little bit of Up stuff.
Quite a lot.
I don't normally notice a lot for them. Look at this mug. You know I love mugs. Squirrel. Squirrel. Does anybody remember her name? If you remember, comment below. It's just a real mix of things in here, which is kind of neat. You really don't know what you're going to get here. We have Hey Hey.
You better not swallow a rock this time.
He is about the craziest Disney character I've ever seen.
$17.99.
$17.99. Hey Hey can be yours. The crazy rooster or chicken. So we visited Mickey Star Traders, and we also visited the Tomorrowland gift shop that's connected to Space Mountain. Found some merch, found some cool things. If there were certain things that caught your eye that you liked that you wish you could have, comment below. We love the comments. Until now, I'm Corey.
I'm Jacob.
And we're living in Diz.